In me, salvation's means and end are one. I came for the salvation of the world. My Father gives all power unto me. Father, my freedom is in you alone. I can give up but what was never real. I gladly make the sacrifice of fear. I merely follow, for I would not lead. All things I think I see reflect ideas. I am forever an effect of God. I need but call, and you will answer me. I choose the second place to gain the first. I have already chosen what you will. I will not hurt myself again today. There is no conflict, for my will is yours. Fear binds the world. Forgiveness sets it free. Forgiveness ends the dream of conflict here. Today, I claim the gifts forgiveness gives. I choose to see my brother's sinlessness. Forgiveness lets me know that minds are joined. My sinlessness protects me from all harm. I am affected only by my thoughts. I will receive whatever I request. I can be free of suffering today. I can attack but my own sinlessness, and it is only that which keeps me safe. I let forgiveness rest upon all things, for thus forgiveness will be given me. I am not asked to make a sacrifice to find the mercy and the peace of God. Today, I learn the law of love, that what I give my brother is my gift to me. I offer only miracles today, for I would have them be returned to me. Today, the peace of God envelops me, and I forget all things except His love. Anger must come from judgment. Judgment is the weapon I would use against myself to keep the miracle away from me.